Hi everybody, this is our social studies. We're going to be working on week 18 of our studies weekly, okay? We are going to kind of go out of order this time. We won't read the front of it first. We're actually going to open it up, okay? And then at the bottom left corner, you will see Truckin' Across the USA. This is going to be our first one. This is going to be kind of a quick one. And then I'll show you where the other ones are at in the other videos. Okay. So trucking across the USA. Have you ever been riding in a car on an interstate full of huge trucks? Maybe you thought, gee, I wonder what's in those big trailers and where they're all going. Well, just about anything you can imagine is in those big trailers, from cars to hogs, from corn to computers to school books. Just about everything gets around in the back of trucks. Where's it all going? The answer to the question is simple. It could be going almost anywhere. After all, more than 80% of cities get all their goods delivered by trucks, just like the one you see on the highway. In fact, trucks and highways are more important to moving goods around the country than railroads and rivers are. Trains and boats still make deliveries in some places, but many companies don't even have a railroad or river nearby. That would have been unthinkable 100 years ago. Back then, railroads and rivers were the most important way to move goods. Okay, so with that, you're going to answer the question on your studies weekly or on your lesson plan. Why are trucks so important during the pandemic? Okay, so go ahead and decide what you think and send me your answer on Class Dojo or text or email. I look forward to hearing it. Bye.